Ever needed a hard copy of your PowerPoint presentation but weren't sure how to print it perfectly? Today, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step way to print your slides so they look exactly how you want. Whether it's for a big meeting, a class project, or just personal review, this guide has got you covered. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. If your presentation is ready, make sure to double check each slide. Ensure everything is in place, images are aligned, and text looks perfect. Once your slides are ready, go to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down, select Print. Here's where it gets important. In the Print menu, you can choose your printer, the number of copies, and even the layout, whether you want full-page slides, handouts, or notes. Take your time here. Setting this up correctly ensures your final print looks professional. When you're ready, click Print again, but instead of sending it directly to the printer, save it as a PDF. Name the file something memorable and save it. PDFs are perfect because they preserve your slides layout, colors, and design. Finally, find your PDF on your computer, right-click, and select Print. Adjust any last-minute settings like paper size or print quality, then hit Print, and just like that, your slides are ready to go. Clear, organized, and professional. Printing your presentation correctly can really make your ideas stand out. Give it a try, and soon this will be a skill you can do in your sleep.